The world is changing, spinning in new directions and ways, in both the arts and the sciences. Take the largest machine on the planet, the Large Hadron Collider, which collides particles just under the speed of light. 4 giant detectors, which take snapshots of the collisions invisible to the naked eye. Add over 60 other cutting-edge experiments, and you have CERN, the largest particle physics laboratory on the planet. Then every year, select exciting artists of any age who want to make creative collisions with the minds and imaginations of the scientists and engineers at CERN. And you have Arts at CERN, the laboratory's homegrown official arts science experiment, colliding great arts with great science, in sound, music, dance, visual arts, and much, much more.
Did CERN hint at their plans with the unveiling of this video called Black Rain, the birth of the abyss upon the Earth?
You are about to experience the awe and mystery which reaches from the deepest inner mind to the outer limits.
God help us all. In 1954, we awakened something.
You have no idea what's coming.
Democritus was the first philosopher who had an atomic theory. He said that the human soul should capture the essence of things, and thereby attain a cheerful, serene mood. He called it euthymia, the highest good of man. Curiosity is the most important part of our nature. Mankind's research for the foundations of the world and the origin of matter is what gets some people to dedicate their whole lives to the question, what holds the universe together at its core? Why do we want to find out about things? Mankind is looking for adventure and does research. We find new things and we invent. The modern scientists pioneering a new era at the beginning of the 21st century. The ingredients of a new era are discoveries in atomic physics, political crisis, change and transition. Change and transition, based on the endless curiosity of man on the threshold of further discoveries. CERN, the European Center for Nuclear Research in Geneva, Switzerland, is one of the largest scientific centers in the world. The most powerful particle accelerator, the Large Hadron Collider, was built there to find the Higgs boson, the elusive particle that is there to give all known particles their mass. Latest technologies, scientific monster machines, and a journey beyond the known to us. Latest technologies.
I want to talk to somebody in charge.
Latest technologies.
I want to talk to somebody.
Scientific monster machines.
You are not anybody.
What is it you are seeking?
The journey beyond the physical world. The journey beyond the physical world known to us.
You're lying.
What is it you are seeking?
I want the power to destroy my enemies and save my family. Power to destroy my enemies. Power to destroy my enemies.
We awakened something. awaken something.
Latest technologies, scientific monster machines, and a journey beyond the physical world known to us.
What is it you are seeking?
I want the power to destroy my enemies and save my family.
The arrogance of man is thinking nature is in our control.
Drink.
We awaken something. The arrogance of man is thinking nature is in our control.
You have no idea what's coming.
Drink.
Can you kill it?
Drink.
Latest technologies, scientific monster machines. Monster machines. Monster machines.
The arrogance of man is thinking nature is in our control.
Monster machines.
Not the other way around.
And a journey beyond the physical known to us.
And a journey beyond the
physical
physical known to
known
us.
to us.
You can't protect us.
I have been waiting an eternity. 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 Drink. I have been waiting an eternity.
You're lying. It was not an earthquake. It wasn't a typhoon. Because what's really happening is that you're hiding something out there.
We awaken something.
And it is going to send us back to the Stone Age.
God help us all.
Drink.
He said that the government is building these ships. So when do we let the people know?
Our mission is to assure the continuity of our species. Wasn't it also decided the people have the right to fight?
What is it you are seeking?
I want the power to destroy my enemies and save my family.
The end of time to occur this year. This year. This year. Occur this year.
No idea what's coming.
true.
Never forget who I am. You will destroy us all.
The rumors are true. Rumors are true. The rumors are true.
Never forget who I am. Who I am. You will destroy us all.
We awakened something.
Well, there's nuclear tests in the Pacific. Not tests.
They were trying to kill it.
You have no idea what's coming.
Can you kill it?
The arrogance of man is thinking nature is in our control.